guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Bandongzki. So for today's video, we are here at Philippine Embassy para kunin natin yung Fiesta Filipinas kit. Ang ingay. So kukunin po natin ang Fiesta Filipinas kit with the theme Flores de Mayo. So guys, samahan nyo ako para kunin ang ating kit na bibigay ng Philippine Embassy. Tara! So ayan guys, before we enter, kailangan po nating mag-register at mag-sanitize. May nag-abot na. So register muna tayo dito sa logbook. Ayan. So guys, tara! So may message tayo ni Ma'am Christy para kunin ang Fiesta Filipinas kit. So nandito naman tayo sa Philippine Embassy. Ayan. So ayan, nandito naman tayo sa loob ng sabay din ang Fiesta Filipinas. So ayan. I'm receiving of our Fiesta Filipinas kit again. Ayan. Oh. This is my third box from Fiesta Filipinas na bigay ng Philippine Embassy. So, signing of contract. Ayan. Thank you po. This is Flores de Mayo Festival Kit. Fiesta Filipinas, an online celebration of Philippine festivals. So, ayan. Thank you, Philippine Embassy. Ayan, shout out kay Kuya Benji. Okay. Hangga ate. Shout out. Ayan, nandito ako. Oo. So, nakuha natin yung Fiesta Filipinas kit, yung hygiene kit po natin. Thank you! Thank you po.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
So, may i-unbox na naman tayo. So, later, i-unbox natin to. Or, tomorrow. May pasok ako. So, ayan.
The next morning.
Hello Kailians! Welcome to my vlog. This is Bandongzki TV. So, for today's video, mag-a-unbox tayo sa binigay ng ating Philippine Embassy Vientiane, Laos. So, this is Fiesta Filipinas, an online celebration of Philippine Festival box given by the Department of Foreign Affairs. Ayan. Entitled po natin ngayon is Flores de Mayo Festival. So guys, ito yung this is my third kit na binigay na ng Philippine Embassy. Yung first natin is yung Visita Iglesia. Yung pang second natin is Panagbenga Festival. And ito nga, yung pang third box natin is Flores de Mayo Festival kit. So guys, i-unbox natin kung ano yung nilalaman ng box na to. So guys, samahan nyo ako. So let's do this!
2 hours later.
So ayan na, let's start. Guys, mabala! Ayan. Mag-ingat po sa paggamit po ng gunting. Buti pa to fresh from Philippines. And thank you pala kay Ma'am Christy na laging nagme-message po sa akin from Philippine Embassy, Laos po. Thank you for giving this opportunity again, ma'am. Ayan. So, is parang shoebox. Pero, the same siya sa box ng Visita Iglesia. So, guys, ito po ang nilalaman ng tignan natin. So, tara. Ayan, Fiesta Filipinas, an online celebration of Philippine festivals. So, ang kanila, Flores de Mayo. So, alam naman natin ang May flower. So, Flores de Mayo. Pinagdiriwang ito sa Philippines, lalo ng Santacruzan. Ayan. Ano pa ba? Yeah, Flores de Mayo. Wow. Guys, ito yung panimula talaga, no? Ito, di mawawala yung card ng ganito, Flores de Mayo. So, basahin natin. So, Flores de Mayo, mabuhay. The Philippines has a tradition of celebrating fiesta or festivals all year around. Different cities all over the country have different festivals that are held mostly in honor of patron saints and historic events that bring the community together. So, welcome to the Fiesta Filipinas, a series of online events introducing and showcasing Philippine festivals and the culture and the traditions. Through this online event, you will be able to have a glimpse of the Philippine culture and celebrate with us amidst challenges of a new normal. For the month of May, ayan, we celebrate Flores de Mayo, or Spanish for Flowers of May. Diba? Flowers of May. Where the devotees of a town parade as a devotion to Christianity, Matriarch Mary. Ayan. This curated kit is designed to make you experience this tradition at the comfort and safety at your home. So, eto din, may Zoom tayo. This event will be held, mag-i-start siya 10 a.m. PH time, 10 a.m. PH time, May 29, 2021 po. At may Zoom po tayo. Ayan. Kailangan po natin mag-attend. And guys, ang nilalaman nito, so check natin isa-isa kung ano yung laman ng box na to. So, ayan. So, number 1 natin, nandito, what is in the kit? Orange, malunggay orange, bahaghari banana chips, chocobron or chocolate coated polvoron, Emmy sweet and pastries cashew tart, Emmy sweet and pastries langka tart. Gosh, ang dami. How to make your gumamela paper flower. So, ayan guys, ito yung nilalaman ng ano. So, let's open guys ang Fiesta Filipina kit. So, guys, samahan nyo ko. Apaka-social. Ayaw mo sinisira to yung sticker niya. Lalagay ko siya sa scrap too. Oh my god. So this is make a gomemela paper flower in this kit. So guys, ito yung gagawin natin activity sa Zoom. So keep lang natin. Oh my god, shucks, ang dami. Ang daming food. So ito guys, ang una natin na Emmy's langka tart. Guys, ayan. Emmy's langka tart. So, nasan dito siya? Ito, in the Philippines, jackfruit is called langka in Filipino. The unripe fruit is usually cooked in coconut milk and eaten with rice. This is called ginataang langka. The ripe fruit is often used as an ingredient in local desserts such as a halo-halo, the Filipino turon, and in this case, a tart. Ayan guys, alam naman natin na ang langka ay sinasahog sa halo-halo. Guys, grabe ang halo-halo ng Pilipinas. It's different talaga. Pag nasa Pilipinas ka, kumakain ng halo-halo, no? And also, ang Filipino turon, okay na yung saging, pero para lagyan ng something special din and twist, nilalagyan nila ng langka. Ayan. And, yun, hindi ko pa natikman tong langka tarts. Actually, strawberry tart, egg tart lang yung natikman ko. So, let's try this soon. Ayan. So, next. Wow. Ibang kwan na naman to, guys. Kasi may kwan tayo dati na moringa mango juice. So, ito naman is orange. Orange. Ayan, orange. Guys, it's an orange. It's combination of orange and moringa. Ayan, orange malunggay orange is moringa, also known as the humble malunggay in the Philippines. It is known to have wondrous health benefit. Infuse it with orange and you get the best of both worlds. So ayan guys, we have 3 packs. So thank you so much dahil may ganito ulit na pasalubong. Yes. Wow. Ito na naman guys. It's a Chocobron, chocolate coated polvoron. So guys, ito ang isa sa mga, well, may ganito din naman tayo sa Goldilocks, pero ito ay under Chocobron, no? Chocolate coated polvoron, an all-time favorite Filipino snack made with a new twist. It's coated with chocolate. The classic polvoron is a treat made from powdered milk, toasted flour, butter, and sugar. So guys, hindi mawawala sa mga Pinoy to, lalo yung mga kabayans po natin. No? Umuwi ng Pilipinas at nagdadala din dito sa Vientiane, Laos ng ganitong pasalubong. So, maging ako, bumibili ako ng pulveron para ipatikim sa mga Lao friends. Yes. So, next. Panghalakasan na banana chips ng Bahaghari. Shout out po sa gumawa nito from Bahaghari. Ayan, it's tignan nyo guys. Product of the Philippines. Well, ibang-iba pa rin ang banana chips ng Pilipinas, no? So, ang Bahaghari banana chips. Slices of bananas that are deep fried, baked, or dehydrated to become crispy, coated with sugar, honey, salt, and spices. A popular snack item in the Philippines and a better and healthier alternative to the potato chips. A sweet and crispy treat. It's like having candies and chips at the same time. So guys, ito sweeten to. Masarap siya. It's 0 grams trans fat. Ayan. Bahaghari chips, shout out. Ayan. Thank you. And last but not the least, ang Emmy's Sweet and Pastries Cashew Tart. So kanina meron po tayong langka tart. So ito naman is cashew tarts. Ayan, it's cashew tarts. So a dessert hailing straight from the Philippines that resembles mini pecan pies. Excellent as a dessert after meals or as an on-the-go snack. Often sold in bake shops with wrap-colored cellophane, which can fit your pocket. Yeah, madaming ganito din, different tart po sa Pilipinas. So, kung ano yung mga products po na like strawberries, ano pa ba, ang pwedeng mango tart, different fruits, pwedeng i-tart po siya. So, ito nga, merong langka and cashew tart. So, guys, tignan natin and tikman natin, I should say, Emmy's Sweet and Pastry. So, I hope na, ayan, guys, comment below sa mga nakatanggap po ng Fiesta Filipinas kit po natin, kung ano yung mga natikman nyo na dito. Guys, comment below and shout out po sa mga kapwa Filipinos po natin na nakatanggap din ng ng ganito. Especially sa mga OFW din. And guys, keep supporting our Philippine Embassy's mga events nila online. Again, they are sharing and they are giving their best para naman hindi tayo nakakasalo-salo face to face, unlike before na nung wala pang pandemic, may mga events sa ating kanya-kanyang imbahada pero ngayon our consulate. Pero ngayon wala na kasi pandemic, pero they are still giving the chance na yung mga kapwa Filipino tayong ma-experience pa din yung mga ganitong event. Ayan, ang Fiesta Filipinas. I think this is the last event of this year, ang Flores de Mayo. I hope na next year or this coming months may event pa na magaganap na ganito. And I'm hoping na meron pa na susunod. Hindi lang naman eto, kundi I'm enjoying the experience of the Fiesta Filipinas naman talaga. May interaction with different and mga kapwa Pinoy po natin, even foreigners na nakikipag-join po sa Zoom natin, no? And ayan, it's very successful for me in the past few past events. Naging successful ang mga event nila, like yung Visita Iglesia, no? And I am so happy na naging part din po ng online celebration na to. And thank you po sa bumubuo ng Philippine Embassy Vientiane, Laos for giving this opportunity to me. Thank you so much po, Agyaman at Unay. I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And ayan, kahit yung first channel natin, yung Bandongzki, is na-demonetize. Guys, please do support and check my videos about my previous Fiesta Filipinas, yung Panagbenga, and also yung Visita Iglesia. I will comment below po, pero you can check it, but guys, please do support this video. Ayan, and also to my channel, new channel, Bandongzki TV. So, ayan, I hope na magkita-kita po ulit tayo and maraming events pa po ang ma-showcase po natin, no? And thank you, Kop Kun Kap, Kop Chay Laylay, Agyamanak.